Students, I hope you all have done your previous work. Now let's come to the next chapter percentage. Now what is a percentage? Percentage means per, that means the out of, cent matlab 100, per 100, that means the out of 100. Which symbol we will represent to the percentage symbol? We will use this symbol. This is the percentage symbols. Okay, now concept of percentage. Suppose a collection of 100 balls consists of 20 red balls and 80 white balls. We have we will take one collection of 100 balls. In that collection, 20s are red ball and 80s are white ball. Then we'll say that 20% of the balls are red. We will speak like that also, कि 20% balls of are red. We can also say that the percentage of the red ball is 20. Understand? The term percentage means, percent means for 100 or in every 100. Per cent, that means 100 out of 100. Now in that we will speak like that 20% balls are red and 80% balls are white. Also we will say like that also, that the percentage of the red balls are 20 and the percentage of white balls are 80. The symbol percentage is this one. This symbol we will use to represent percentage. So 20% is written as 20%. That means the 20 out, this cent meaning out of 100. Understand? This meaning out of 100. It means that 20 out of 100. Percentage means out of 100. Understand? Now, relation between fractions and percentage. Now, what is the relation between fractions and percentage? Percentage are in fact special fraction in which the denominator is 100. We will write any number in a percentage whose denominator is always 100. Now, for example first, this fraction 1 by 100. We speak like that 1/100th. We will also write like that, denominator 100, that means 1 percentage. 1 out of 100 also we will speak like that. Now 19 by 100, in denominator 100 we will speak like 19 1/100th, मतलब 19 out of 100, also 19 percentage. In denominator 100, that means these are all we will write as a percentage. Understand? Now in a fraction whose denominator is 100 and numerator indicates the percentage as 21 by 100, that is always equal to, this is a fraction, how we will write this in a percentage? 21 percentage. Now 21 percentage of quantity. Now we will write like 21 percentage of quantity, that means the 21 by 100 of the quantity. Similarly 32 percentage of quantity, that means the 32 out of 100. Now in that we will all discuss about conversion, how to conversion of the percentage into fraction. Now if we have to given any percentage, how we will convert these percentage into fraction? What we will do? Rule: a given percentage may be expressed as a fraction by dividing the number of the percentage by 100. Now from example it will be clear. Now we have to given this percentage. Firstly we will solve this mixed fraction, that is a 12 into 2 24, 24 into 1 25 by 2 percentage. Percentage meaning in denominator 100, that means 25 by 2 divide by 100. Now we will, how we will write these number 25 by 2 into 1 by 100. Now how to write these number in a fraction? What we will do, this is we will cut these terms. मतलब on 20 table 25 table 100 will go on a 4. After that numerator is a 1 and denominator is a 8. That is, now we will convert percentage into fractions. Understand? Now 65.7 percentage. Now percentage, firstly we will remove this percentage and write 100 here over here. Now one decimal also given. Now what we will do, one decimal we will remove. What we will get, that is a 675 or 657, 100 as it is into 10 as it is, because the decimal after before one place, that means the 100 come. Then how we will write 657 divided by 1000. Now these both have, मतलब ये किसी की टेबल पे नहीं आ रहे होंगे, so that means this is left only. ठीक है, ये दोनों किसी भी टेबल पे डिवाइड नहीं हो रहे होंगे, so this is we will write like that. Now let's come conversion of fraction into percentage. Now how to convert fraction into percentage? In previous we will convert percentage into fraction, but in that from fraction, how to convert this fraction into percentage? Rule is that to convert a fraction into percentage, multiply the fraction by 100 and the symbol for percentage. Now we have to given any fraction, for we will convert this fraction into percentage. What we will do, multiply that fraction by 100, साथ ही साइन कौन सा आएगा, परसेंटेज का. ठीक है. नाउ फॉर एग्जाम्पल 7/12. नाउ वी विल हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दिस फ्रैक्शन इन अ परसेंटेज. 7/2 into for percentage we will multiply 100, साथ ही symbol of percentage. Now again solve these fraction. This is on a 2 table we will cut. This is on a 6 and this is on a 50. Again it's on a 2 table. It's on a 3 and it's on a 25. That means 7 into 25 divided by 3. After again multiply 175 by 3, we will get percentage. Now divide these term, you will write this term in a mixed fraction, and that is a percentage. Now next one, 6/25. How to convert 6/25 in a percentage? Multiply 100, साथ ही percentage. Now 25 on 25 table 100 will come on a 4, that is on a 4 I will cut, and 6 into 4, that is a 24 percentage. Understand? Now two rule we have to done, which firstly is that the fraction how to convert a percentage into fraction, and second one is that the how to convert fraction into percentage. Now next one is how to convert ratio into percentage. Rule is that the ratio, we all know ratio is expressed as a fraction. For now, how to convert fraction into percentage, you all know about that. Firstly we will convert ratio into percentage. After same method this one we will use. Okay. Now 4/5, we will write this ratio in a fraction, that is a 4/5. Now for percentage, what we will do, multiply 100, साथ ही symbol. Now on 5 table it is on a 20, it's on 1, and 20 into 4, that is 80 percentage. That meaning is 4 is a 80% of 5. We will speak like that also. Understand? Now let's come to second example, 1/8. Now 1/8, 1/8, 1/8 into 100 multiply and percentage as it is. Again we will cut, and what we will get, this one. Now in that converse also is there. Converse, that means the opposite. A percentage can be convert into fraction. Now परसेंटेज को कन्वर्ट रेशो में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? फर्स्टली वी विल कन्वर्ट परसेंटेज इनटू फ्रैक्शन, एंड विच फ्रैक्शन वी विल गेट, वी विल राइट द फ्रैक्शन इन अ रेशो. सेम 40%, that means a 14%, that means a 14/100. Again we will cut, but what we will get, 70/50. How we will write this fraction in a ratio? 7/50. Understand? Now 55%, 55/100. Again cut 11/20 we will get. Then how we will write 11/20? 11/20. Understand? Convert decimal into percentage. Now conversion of decimal into percentage, what we will do, To convert a decimal into percentage, shift the decimal point to the right by the places, adding 0 if required, and add the symbol of percentage. Suppose we have to given 0.73. What we will do? Remove this decimal, and before how many places 0 will come? After decimal, how many digits are left? 2 digits. That means the 20 will come. Now that means 100. Simple, that is a simple. We will write 73 by 100. That means a 73%. Okay. Now next one is 0.8. Now how to convert this in this? 0.8. Now what we will do? How to convert this decimal into percentage? Firstly we will remove the decimal. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 digit. That means the 10 will come. Now this is a 8 by 10. This is a fraction. You all know how to convert fraction into percentage. Multiply by 100 and divide by साथ ही percentage sign. Now what we will do? That is a 0 1 0 cut, and what we will get? 80%. Understand? Now on book 0.8, what they will do? Simple. Now 0.175. Now what we will do? 0.175. Firstly we will remove this decimal. After this decimal, how many digits are there? 1 2 3. That means 30 will come. ठीक है. Now to convert these fraction in decimal, what we will do? Multiply by 100 and put percentage here. 20 will cut by this. Now divide 175 by 10. This is on a 5 table. We will cut. That is on a 2, and that is on a 35. Now 35 by 2. 35 divide by 2. That means the simple we will divide. 2 35. ठीक है. 2 1 115 114. It's on a 7 1 1 0 will put, and put a decimal here, and it's on a 5. That is equal to 17.5%. Understand? Same as it is. In that, what they will do? Remove decimal, and 100 will come. After that, देखो, 1000 will come. We want only 100. That means 110 is extra. We will write like that also, na? On book they will do like that. Now we want only 100 in denominator, so this 10 we will put a decimal here. That is equal to 17.5 divided by 100. That is equal to 17.5%. Understand? Now again I repeat that how to convert decimal into percentage. Firstly we will remove the decimal and put how many 0 will come. What we will do that like that, and after that you all that values in a fraction. Then how to convert a fraction into percentage, you all know. Multiply by 100 and put a percentage sign also. That is a simple method. Okay. Now next one is a conversion of percentage into decimal. Now how to convert a percentage into decimal? 15%. Now how to convert this into percentage? Firstly we will open percentage, that means we divide by 100. Now divide these. On which table? They both are divisible. That is on a 5 table. 3, that is on a 20. Now again they both are not at any table. Now divide this term. 23. This is a 0. Now after that we will put a point here, decimal here. On 20 table I think it's on a 1. After that 110, one more point we need. That is on a 5. That means the 0.15 is how to convert. We will write this in open this percentage. We will write a percentage sign. That means we will write it in a denominator 100. After that you have to cut this, and we will divide this, and what we will get this answer. Now second one is also same. 6.5%. Firstly 6.5%. That means the 6.5 by 100. Now remove this decimal also. That is a 10. That is a 65 by 1000. ठीक है. Now we will put a simple also, that is how many zero will come, that means 0.065 is, we will write simple also. Understand? Second one is we will cut this on a 5 table, and after that we will divide and put it divide. Now this is on a 200, this is on a I think 13. Yes. Now again they both are not, we will divide division method also, and we will do simple also. Understand? Now next we will do in a next all the things we will do in a next video. Now let's come to the example first. Convert the following into percentage. Now first is a fraction. How to convert fraction into percentage? That is a multiply by 100 साथ ही percentage sign. देखो, see, 3/8 into 100 percentage, cut it, and what we will get, 37.500 percentage. Understand? Now next one is a decimal. In a decimal, how to convert decimal into percentage? Firstly, simple, we will remove 100. For now this is in a fraction, we will multiply by 100 and percentage sign, that is a 15%. Alternative method is that shift the decimal point 2 places to the right. मतलब we will shift these, this is in a simple, we'll shift the, in denominator we want 100 na. Now for percentage we want to 100 na, so what we will do, we have to given any decimal number, what we will do, we will shift the decimal before 2 places to the right. मतलब 2 places right, मतलब उससे आगे डेसिमल को शिफ्ट कर देना है. मतलब ऐसे लिखना है कि उसका जब डेसिमल रिमूव करे तो 100 आ जाए. सो वैसे दिस इज़ ये तो सिंपल ही दिया हुआ है, वैसे इसको शिफ्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, ये तो सिंपल है. दैट मीन्स हाउ टू राइट remove decimal, that is 100 will come. Now how to write this in a 15%? This is simple. Now next one is given in a ratio 5:6, that means 5/6. This is a fraction, multiply by 100 and divide this. Simple we will do. Now next one is a right percentage. This is in a percentage, as we will write this percentage in a fraction, decimal and ratio. Now what we will do, firstly we will open these. How percentage मीन डिवाइड बाई 100 एंड मिक्सड फ्रैक्शन को सोल्व करके फ्रैक्शन में लिख लिया. आफ्टर दैट 75/2 इंटू 1/100, कट इट एंड 3/8 विल गेट. फर्स्ट पार्ट हो गया फ्रैक्शन. सेकेंड वन इज द डेसिमल. नाउ वट वी विल डू, सिंपल, how to do that, we will put 100 over here, and after that cut it and divide, that we will get in a percentage. Understand? Next alternative method is that when simple, firstly we will solve this one, after that percentage as it is, and what we will do, remove this, मतलब again we will put over 100 here, and simple also we will put shift decimal here. Understand? Now we will write this like that also, 100. Now remove this decimal also, that means the 1000 will come. Now how to put a decimal, मतलब before 3 digit decimal will come, that is 0.375. that is answer. Understand? Next one also in a ratio, solve this mixed fraction, and after divide this one, आपने वो पहले में तो सोल्व कर लिया था, 3/8 आ गया था. हाउ वुड राइट, इफ अगर एक ही पार्ट आए, पहले आपने सोल्व करना है. अब देखो ये तो तीनों में आ गया, फ्रैक्शन में इतना को सोल्व कर लिया और इसमें सीधा लिख दिया. अगर ये अकेला आता तो फर्स्टली यू हैव टू सोल्व लाइक दैट, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल राइट दिस इन अ रेशियो. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ यू हैव टू डू exercise first, second, third, fourth question and fifth and sixth one. 1 to 6 question on your fair copy.